AdvertSuite is a database with tens of millions Facebook ads in it. They also support ads displayed on the Instagram, YouTube and Google advertising platforms. But to access ads on these platforms you'll need to buy an upgrade. The core product supports exclusively Facebook ads, which is what I use it for mostly. On their beautifully designed website they present AdvertSuite from the angle of being able to see what ads work for others, and how you won't need to spend money on testing anymore because you can simply replicate successful ads in any niche. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. AdvertSuite features. On the AdvertSuite sales page it says there are currently more than 80 million Facebook ads in their database, from over 20 countries. And they keep adding new ads regularly. First thing I noticed when I logged into the tool, looking for my own country, is that you can select any country in the world. I haven't tested it for every country, but I've never selected a country for which the tool didn't return ads. So I'm quite sure that from over 20 countries is actually a lot more. Another important thing to realize before I'll discuss all the features, is that the tool contains both live and past ads. You do have date filters to search for ads that have been created on or seen on after a certain date. You can use AdvertSuite to learn what ad copy worked well for them, what type of image they used to get high engagement, what their landing page looks like, that their ad has been running for 531 days, that they probably targeted just Taiwan, what the targeted audience looked like. Then I can even go to their landing page and learn from their sales copy, pricing, order process, everything. I could basically copy exactly everything they do and just target a different country to see if that would work. Even better, I could model what works for them and then apply it to my own specific industry, product and store. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram, the link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses, free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.